Welcome to LRLO Biology. We are still with levels of organization. In the previous video, we started with organs. And we said organs are groups of tissues performing one or more function. We look at organs in mammals. Now we want to look at organs in plants. We want to look at organs in plants. The first one that we shouldn't forget, that we have to mention, that we started looking at in class 1, is the leaf. So a leaf is an organ. A leaf is an organ. What does it do? Photosynthesis. The leaf also helps in transpiration. In some leaves, food storage. Look at onion epidermis. Sorry, if you look at onion bulb, leaves store food. These are food storage leaves. Echinacea is a leaf. Some store food. Photosynthesis, transpiration, food storage. Some leaves are for vegetative propagation, but the original function of leaf is photosynthesis and transpiration. Then we also have, why do they undergo photosynthesis? Because of presence of chlorophyll. Don't forget that the leaf is an organ. It is made up of different tissues. One of such tissues is the epidermis. Remember? Epidermis. We did it in the previous lesson. As you can see it. Epidermis. What does it do? Protection. As you can see the veins. This is where the xylem and phloem are. What do they do? Transport. Xylem brings water. We are saying that the leaf is for photosynthesis. But there is the need for it to have access. There's a need for it to have water. Xylem brings the food. That's the tissue. Epidermis, a tissue that reduces loss of the water that is brought unnecessarily. What about palisade mesophyll? Manufactures the food. How about spongy mesophyll? Ensure that gases, carbon dioxide, will reach the palisade. What about the food that is prepared? If it's not carried away, has the leaf done any work for the plant? No. So phloem will carry it. So let's identify some tissues in a leaf. Epidermis, palisade mesophyll, spongy mesophyll, xylem, and phloem. 5. You have to know their functions. So leaf is an organ. Stem is also an organ. The stem is also an organ. What does the stem do? You know, in your primary school, it supports the leaves. If the stem is not able to support the leaves, the leaf cannot receive maximum amount of sunlight. Also, herbivores will destroy the plant, the leaves. To support the leaves for photosynthesis, support the flower for pollination, support the fruit also for dispersal. Don't forget, the stem also transports water and mineral salt from the roots to the leaves. Isn't it interesting? The leaf for photosynthesis, the leaf cannot support itself, cannot attach itself to the root. It must be carried high above to be able to receive sunlight. So, leaf, stem. What about a root? One root is an organ. What does it do? Anchorage. You never forget anchorage. anchors the plant firmly to the soil so it will not be carried away by wind. The root also helps in absorption of water and mineral salt. These are some of the primary functions of the root. Some root like cassava stores food. Some roots like cassava store food. So the leaf, the stem, the root. What about the flower? Flower is for sexual reproduction. Don't tell me pollination. It's for sexual reproduction. The flower. What about the fruits? What about fruit? Fruit, this mango fruit, this apple. So if you cut the mango, what's the function of a fruit? So if you cut it, you realize that, so have you seen the mesocarp? The epicarp protects the fruit. The epicarp protects the fruit. So this is a tissue. Epicarp. This is a mesocarp. Then the endocarp protects the seed. But what you throw away after enjoying mango is not the seed. The seed is inside. So if you identify three tissues here, epicarp, mesocarp, and endocarp, this make up the fruit. So we have mentioned leaves, stem. We have mentioned leaf, stem, root, flower, and fruit. This is another fruit too, apple. Then we have bulb. A bulb is an organ. Its function is to store food. Also for vegetative propagation. What about rhizome? Ginger. It's an organ. What about yam? It's a stem tuber. What about Irish potato? It's a stem tuber. These are our examples of organs in plants. The leaf for photosynthesis, mainly. Flower for reproduction. Flower for sexual reproduction. Stem for support. Transport of water and mineral salt from the root to the leaves. Roots for anchorage and for absorption. Fruits for dispersal and reproduction. Bulb, food storage, vegetative propagation. Rhizome, food storage, vegetative propagation, and what we call perennation. It helps such plants to remain underground for several years. When conditions come back to normal, they grow again to survive adverse environmental conditions. Perinating organ. Thank you for watching LRLO Biology. Don't leave this place. Be part of the mega class. When we bring you organ system in mama. See you in the next mega class.